You deserve to know more.
eNCA.com.
The work week has started off with a change in weather over the western half of South Africa, with a large amount of high cloud moving in, extending all the way through to the Eastern Cape, and that's formed ahead of a cold front which moved in late on Monday afternoon. And you'll see there's another cold front behind that, with a series of cold fronts keeping in the chance of rainfall over the western part of South Africa over the next couple of days. We're also forecasting rain along the Eastern Cape coast in the second part of the day, reaching KwaZulu-Natal on Tuesday night, but with yet another fine and dry day over the central and northeastern part of South Africa, with a warm forecast over parts of Mpumalanga and Limpopo. Here's a look at your weather forecast in detail across South Africa for Tuesday. Overall, we're expecting warm weather for KwaZulu-Natal, Ulundi and Richards Bay, both topping 28, with the rest of the province seeing daytime highs in the mid-20s, with rain in the evening for Pietermaritzburg and Durban. It'll be a cool Tuesday for the Eastern Cape, with maximum temperatures in the upper teens and low 20s, with the possibility of rain in the afternoon along the coast and for the adjacent lying interior, Port Elizabeth and Bishu both at 18. Partly cloudy and cold for Beaufort West at 16 degrees, 18 for Plettenberg Bay and Mossel Bay, with the possibility of rain along the south coast. We're expecting another wintry day for the Western Cape, 17 for the Winelands and Cape Town, starting off at 12 but warming up to 16 in the afternoon, with that cold front bringing in a mostly cloudy day with scattered showers and a moderate to fresh northwesterly wind. We're expecting rain and cold weather for Calvinia at 11 degrees, with a cold afternoon along the west coast and most of the rain forecast in the morning. Mostly sunny and dry though as we head towards Uppington and Presco, with a high of 19 degrees. It'll be a sunny day for the Free State on Tuesday, but with a cold start of the day. Bethlehem and Harrismith at around 20 and Welkom warming up to 23. Potchefstroom can expect that same daytime high with a sunny forecast throughout the northwest, with the rest of the maximum temperatures peaking at around 25, 27 for Zanin, with a dry forecast throughout Limpopo, with Phalaborwa and Messina expecting a maximum just below 30. Bombela tops 28 with a fine and dry day throughout Mpumalanga and maximum temperatures in the low 20s for the Highvelds. Yet another great winter's day for Gauteng, 20 degrees for Johannesburg and Soweto, and Pretoria with a high of 23. On our wind map, you'll see a predominantly northwesterly wind over the central and northeastern part of South Africa, as well as for Cape Town, with more of a southwesterly wind along the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal coast. On Wednesday, we're expecting rain along the coast between Cape Town and Richards Bay, sunny and warm in the northeast, but by Thursday we're expecting cloud across South Africa, with a possibility of rain between Port Elizabeth and Richards Bay, a few isolated thundershowers over the southeastern parts, and showers extending through to the Northern Cape. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a great one.
You deserve to know more.
eNCA.com.